Eco-warriors and tech enthusiasts, if you're thinking about making the switch to an electric vehicle but are worried about reliability, today's video is going to put your mind at ease. We're exploring the most popular EV models and examining their reliability, so you can drive green without a care in the world. From Tesla to Nissan, we've got the lowdown on the EVs that won't let you down. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into the electrifying world of reliable electric cars. Tesla Model 3. Let's kick things off with the rock star of the EV world, the Tesla Model 3. This car is like the Beyoncé of electric vehicles. It's popular, it's stylish, and it's got the moves to back it up. Since its launch, the Model 3 has won over drivers with its impressive range, cutting-edge technology, and of course, its sleek design. When it comes to reliability, the Model 3 shines bright. Tesla has addressed early concerns about build quality, and the latest models boast excellent durability. The battery life is stellar, with minimal degradation even after thousands of miles. Plus, with over-the-air updates, your Model 3 stays fresh and up-to-date without a trip to the dealership. It's like having a car that gets smarter and more reliable as it ages. Talk about aging gracefully. The minimalist interior features a spacious cabin with premium materials and a central touchscreen that controls virtually every aspect of the car. Performance-wise, the Model 3 delivers exhilarating acceleration and a smooth, quiet ride, making every drive a pleasure. Enhanced autopilot and full self-driving options further set it apart, offering advanced safety and convenience features. Tesla's extensive supercharger network ensures you're never far from a quick and convenient charging solution, making long-distance travel effortless. With its blend of style, innovation, and reliability, the Model 3 continues to set the standard in the electric vehicle market. Nissan Leaf. Next up is the Nissan Leaf, the trusty steed of the EV world. The Leaf has been around longer than some of your houseplants and is just as easy to care for. Known for its affordability and reliability, the Nissan Leaf is a favorite among budget-conscious EV enthusiasts. The Leaf's battery technology has evolved over the years, significantly improving its range and lifespan. Early models faced some battery degradation issues, but Nissan quickly addressed these concerns with better thermal management systems. Today, the Leaf is a reliable companion for city commutes and short road trips. It's like the reliable friend who's always there when you need a ride to the airport. Chevrolet Bolt EV. Chevrolet's Bolt EV is another contender in the ring of reliable electric vehicles. This compact hatchback has been winning hearts with its impressive range and robust performance. The Bolt EV offers a range of over 250 miles on a single charge, making it a solid choice for both city driving and longer journeys. When it comes to reliability, the Bolt EV stands tall. Chevrolet has focused on creating a durable and dependable vehicle, addressing early recall issues with improvements in battery safety and performance. The Bolt EV's build quality and reliability have earned it a loyal following. It's like the dependable workhorse that always gets the job done without any drama. Inside, the Bolt EV features a spacious, well-designed cabin with ample cargo space and comfortable seating for passengers. The intuitive infotainment system, complete with a large touchscreen and smartphone integration, keeps you connected and entertained on the go. Additionally, advanced safety features and driver assistance systems provide peace of mind, making the Bolt EV a practical and reliable choice for eco-conscious drivers. Chevrolet's commitment to quality and innovation ensures that the Bolt EV remains a top contender in the electric vehicle market. Hyundai Kona Electric. The Hyundai Kona Electric is the cool kid on the block, offering a blend of style, performance, and reliability. With a range of around 258 miles, the Kona Electric is perfect for those who want a bit of adventure without the range anxiety. Hyundai has made significant strides in ensuring the reliability of the Kona Electric. The car's battery pack comes with a comprehensive warranty, giving buyers peace of mind. The Kona Electric's solid build quality and consistent performance have made it a reliable choice in the EV market. It's like having a stylish backpack that's also indestructible. The sleek exterior design, featuring bold lines and a distinctive front grille, ensures the Kona Electric stands out on the road. Inside, the cabin is equally impressive, with high-quality materials, a user-friendly infotainment system, and ample space for passengers and cargo. Advanced driver assistance features and a comfortable ride make the Kona Electric a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring scenic routes. Hyundai's commitment to safety and innovation is evident in every aspect of the Kona Electric, making it a top pick for those seeking a fashionable yet dependable electric vehicle. Kia Soul EV. The Kia Soul EV brings a splash of personality to the EV market with its quirky design and reliable performance. Known for its distinctive boxy shape, the Soul EV offers a spacious interior and a range of around 243 miles, making it a practical and fun choice for urban driving. Kia has worked hard to ensure the Soul EV is as reliable as it is funky. The car's battery and components have been designed for longevity, and Kia's warranty coverage adds an extra layer of confidence. The Soul EV is like the eccentric uncle who always has the best stories and never lets you down. BMW i3. For those who want a touch of luxury in their EV experience, the BMW i3 is a top contender. This compact electric car offers a unique design, premium materials, and a surprisingly roomy interior. The i3 may be small, but it packs a punch in terms of performance and reliability. BMW has equipped the i3 with advanced battery technology and robust construction, ensuring that it remains reliable over the years. The car's lightweight carbon fiber reinforced body adds to its durability, making it a standout choice for those who value both style and substance. The i3 is like the high-end gadget that not only looks good, but also lasts forever. Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Ford Mustang Mach-E combines the iconic Mustang name with modern electric performance. This stylish SUV offers a range of up to 300 miles and delivers impressive acceleration, living up to the Mustang legacy. Ford has invested heavily in ensuring the Mach-E's reliability with rigorous testing and quality control measures. The Mach-E's robust build quality and dependable performance make it a reliable choice for EV enthusiasts who crave a bit of muscle in their electric ride. It's like having a gym buddy who never skips leg day and always shows up on time. Tesla Model Y. Last but not least, we have the Tesla Model Y, the SUV sibling of the Model 3. The Model Y offers the same cutting-edge technology and impressive range as the Model 3, but with more space for passengers and cargo. Tesla has worked hard to address any reliability concerns with the Model Y, and recent models have shown significant improvements in build quality and durability. The Model Y's battery and drivetrain are built to last, ensuring that this SUV remains a reliable choice for years to come. It's like the big brother who's always looking out for you and has your back no matter what. And there you have it, folks. The world of electric vehicles is brimming with reliable options that cater to every taste and budget. If you enjoyed this electrifying journey through popular EV models and their rock-solid reliability, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content. Remember, in a world where you can be anything, be dependable and eco-friendly. Stay charged, stay curious, and we'll see you on the green road. Peace out.